Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete cBot from cTrader. First, open cTrader and make sure you are logged into the correct trading account. Then, go to the Automate Algo section, where all your cBots are stored and managed. This is the area where you can create, edit, and organize all your automated trading bots. Now, click on the cBots tab to see a list of all the cBots currently added to your account. Take a moment to carefully review the list and identify the specific cBot that you want to delete so you don't accidentally remove the wrong one. After that, right-click on the cBot you want to remove to open the Options menu. From the menu, select Delete. A confirmation window will appear asking if you are sure you want to permanently delete this cBot. Here, read the confirmation message carefully. Deleting a cBot is permanent and cannot be undone, so make sure you are removing the correct one. Then, click Yes or OK to confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, the cBot will be immediately removed from the list and you will no longer see it in the cBots tab. You can refresh the section to make sure the cBot has been successfully deleted. Finally, you can continue managing your remaining cBots or create new ones as needed. Keeping your cTrader organized by removing unused cBots ensures smoother performance and easier management of your automated trading strategies. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.